Drying your Skechers, a step-by-step guide.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss an essential topic for any Skechers owner. How long does it take for Skechers shoes to dry after washing them with water? Keep in mind that drying your shoes properly is key to prolonging their lifespan and maintaining their shape and comfort.
Factors influencing drying time.
First, it's important to note that the drying time can vary significantly depending on several factors. 1. The material of your Skechers. Certain materials, like leather, may take longer to dry than synthetics. 2. The method of drying. Air drying is the safest but also the slowest method. Applying heat can speed up the process but may also damage the shoes. 3. The environment. Dry, warm conditions will help shoes dry faster than cool, humid ones.
General drying time frame.
Despite these variables, there's a general time frame you can expect for your shoes to dry. On average, if you're air drying your Skechers at room temperature, it will usually take about 24 to 48 hours for them to fully dry.
How to speed up the drying process.
If you need to speed up the drying process, here are a few tricks. 1. Remove insoles and laces. They will dry faster separately and improve overall airflow inside the shoe. 2. Use newspaper or a towel. Insert crumpled newspaper or a towel inside the shoes to absorb the excess water. 3. Rotate the drying position. Every couple of hours, rotate your shoes to different positions to help air reach all areas. Remember, never use direct heat like a hairdryer or placing them near a radiator, as this could warp the shape of the shoe or damage the material. That's all for this guide. The key takeaway is to allow between 24 to 48 hours for your Skechers to fully dry at room temperature and to avoid the use of direct heat. Treat your Skechers with care, and they will serve you well. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.